Hello and welcome back to the Java tutorial series. Before diving into the basic concepts, I would like to discuss that why Java is an important language and why should we learn it. So Java is an easy to learn language as compared to C and C++. It is developer friendly and it is very easy to write Java code. It has a rich library set and API collection. Most of the time it is possible that the functionality you are trying to write is already available as some library or API collection already implemented in Java. It is free and even open source. So JDK, the Java Development Kit, is distributed for free by the Oracle Corporation. You can download it and set it up in your system and start writing code and even publish your applications without any licensing fees from Oracle. It is platform independent. So unlike previous languages such as C and C++, where once you wrote a code in a platform, it will not necessarily mean that the same output will be received in other platforms. But this is not the case in Java, where you will write code once and convert it into the particular format which will be supported across different platforms. So you can write code once and run it anywhere without ever thinking that may the output will be the same or not. Then popularity. Java has been adopted by a large number of companies. It is kind of a standard for application development and it is very popular and has a rich market scope even as now. Excellent tools. Tools like IDE for developing Java applications are have very exhaustive resources. They are available, for example, as Eclipse. Then we have IntelliJ software from JetBrains, NetBeans. These are just a number of tools which provide excellent features for writing code in Java. Robust, secure, and efficient. These three features are very important and they were brought about by Java in the era of networking. These provide a secure connection against malware and unauthorized activities. It is efficient to run code on code in the JVM machine, and Java code is robust as there are features to support even exception and error handling in Java. Now moving on to a history class for Java. Java was developed as a software platform to build application across a network and other systems in the year 1998 by James Gosling, the person on the right, by the Sun Microsystems, which we presently known as Oracle Corporation. The major features are that it is platform independent, as we discussed before. Write code once and run anyway. Then we have JVM. JVM is a execution environment. It is basically a virtual machine in which Java code runs. So basically Java is not run in the client operating system as unlike other languages. It runs in a separate virtual machines. So this makes it easier to protect it from vulnerabilities and not allow malicious code to access the client system. So this makes it secure, flexible, and efficient. All the libraries and the dependencies required for running the code are already available in the virtual machine. So powerful networking library is the next feature. When Java was launched, it was just the beginning of the internet era and there was lack of an efficient networking language or framework that would support the traffic of the network that was present at that moment. So Java made it a point by focusing on creating network solutions which are first of its kind, making it very popular. Developing quality software for mobile, desktop, and web platform. So Java allows us to write code for mobile applications, for desktop applications, and even for web platform using JSP. It has fully loaded object-oriented programming features. Object-oriented programming features are a lot beneficial as compared to functional programming, and Java takes full benefit of these features. We will see in the next video what these object-oriented programming features are, and then we will move on to actually writing the Java program. Thank you for watching and see you next time.